How to get fair skin naturally, 13 natural home remedies and face packs to get flawless and fair skin. Do you want to flaunt a fair and flawless skin? Fair and flawless complexion is a dream for many girls out there. Though you might not be born with flawless skin, but there are a lot of fairness creams and lotions that promise you fairer and flawless skin. There are a lot of natural home remedies that you can try instead of these chemical-laden concoctions. Though we are not suggesting that fair skin in general is superior than dark skin, but we are simply sharing with you a list of home remedies that you can use in order to get a healthy and glowing complexion. These home remedies will help you to get rid of tan and pigmentation, leaving you with a fair and flawless skin. Here is a list of quick skin lightening home remedies for fair skin. 1. Tomato. Tomato contains lycopene, which protects you against the sun and helps to reduce suntan instantly. Tomatoes can be the best natural ingredient that you can turn to if you want skin lightening treatment. It will not only help to get rid of tan but will also cure acne. To use tomatoes on your skin, make a pulp of tomato and mix it with a little bit of lemon juice. Apply this paste on your face, keep it for 20 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. You can use this paste every day before bath to get fair skin. 2. Lemon. When it comes to skin lightening, using lemon will prove to be most effective on your skin. Lemon will help reduce the dark spots and blemishes on your skin. All you need to do is cut a lemon into 2 and rub 1/2 onto your skin. Leave it for 10 minutes and then wash off with cool water. But remember not to step out in the sun immediately after using lemon on your skin. Lemon is the best natural remedy for skin lightening. It helps to reduce the blemishes and dark spots. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best home remedies for fair skin. It is easily available in your kitchen and works like magic on your skin to make it glow. All you need to do is combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 3 teaspoons of lime juice and apply all over your skin. Keep this mask for about 15 minutes and then wash it off. While applying this paste, be careful as it can stain your clothes, also your skin will appear yellow post this treatment. 4. Milk. Milk is not only a good cleanser but it also works well when it comes to skin lightening. Prepare a milk face pack by mixing 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey and apply all over your face by massaging it gently in circular motions. Preferably use full-fat milk to nourish and moisturize your skin. 5. Yogurt face pack. Yogurt is really effective in lightening your skin. To use it in your skin lightening face pack, make a paste of 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix this paste, apply it on your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Wash this mask off with cold water. If you repeat this procedure, you will notice the difference in your skin complexion. 6. Egg face mask. You can make a fantastic homemade DIY mask using eggs. Beat an egg till it is fluffy and then apply it on your face using a brush. Wait till it dries off completely and then wash off with cool water. If you cannot tolerate the pungent smell of the eggs, you can add a little bit of lemon juice or lavender, it will reduce the smell of the egg. 7. Fruit face pack. Fruit face pack can work wonders for your skin. You can use a whole lot of different kinds of fruits such as papaya, cucumber and avocado to prepare your homemade fruit face pack. Blend all the ingredients to form a paste and add 2 teaspoons of cream to it. Apply the face pack on your face and neck and leave it for 20 minutes. Rinse your face with warm water and pat dry with a soft towel. 8. Rose water. Rose water acts as a mild astringent on your skin. It makes your skin soft, supply and tightens your pores at the same time. It also helps to soothe irritated skin. To use rose water to lighten your skin tone, you can add rose water to any homemade face pack and use it. You can also simply use a cotton pad and dab it onto your skin or spritz some on your face. 9. Papaya Mask. Papaya Mask will help to exfoliate the skin, and at the same time nourish your skin with vitamin C. To make a papaya mask, peel and slice papaya, and blend tea to make a smooth paste. Apply it on your skin and leave it for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and then pat dry. 10. Gram Flour Mask. Using a gram flour pack on your skin will work as a great exfoliant. It will exfoliate your skin gently without scratching or irritating your skin, remove the dead skin cells and make your skin look fresh. To make a gram flour pack, add 2 tablespoons of gram, add water and make a smooth paste. Apply it on your face and leave it to dry completely. Then wash your skin with warm water. 11. Fuller's Earth or Multanimidi. Fuller's Earth or Multanimidi is a great natural ingredient that can be used on your skin for a flawless and fair skin. Using a Multanimidi on acne-prone skin will leave your skin feeling great as the pack helps to soak up oils. It is rich with minerals like lime, alumina and iron oxides, which helps you to give a fair complexion and healthy glowing skin naturally. 12. Tender coconut water. Those who think that tender coconut water is only best when it comes to quenching your thirst, you need to know more about the beauty benefits of it. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties and also works effectively when it comes to skin lightening. If you apply tender coconut water on your skin twice daily for 15 minutes, you will get naturally glowing fair skin. 13. Hot oil body massage. Indulge in a hot oil body massage for not just relaxation, but also to get fairer skin complexion. Use an oil such as almond oil, coconut oil or olive oil and warm it before you massage it into your skin. To this you can also add crushed neem and tulsi leaves. Massage well and keep for 30 minutes before washing it off. The hot oil massage will help you to get rid of tan and give you a naturally glowing skin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.